Oh hi, I didn't see you there. I'm Chef Jess and today we're going to be making an empanadilla, but emphasize on the pan because we're going to be making it. You can also follow me on Instagram at chefjess_the_best. First we're going to start off with small diced potatoes. You're going to add some water, cook them up a little bit. Make sure they're tender. You want to be able to, they get a little transparent and you can poke them with a fork. Then you're going to just want to drain those and put them to the side. I have a little oil in the pan. We're going to add garlic. Brown it up. You can do any meat you want, chicken. You don't even have to use meat. You could use seafood or just cheese, veggies, whatever you would like. I'm using ground beef, about a pound. So we're gonna brown it up. So you're gonna get the meat a little bit cooked. Add some salt to taste. I know a lot of people don't like, can have it, high blood pressure or whatever. Pepper. Oregano. You could always use fresh or dry, it doesn't matter. Just give it a little stir, get the seasonings in there. Also, I have homemade sofrito, but what it is a bunch of cilantro, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, some onions, garlic. You can also look it up and you can make it at home. Also, you can buy it at the store. It's already pre-made there too. I add about, I want to say 4 tablespoons. It gives it a lot of flavor. Gives it a nice like saucy mix to it too. I also added tomato puree. You could also buy those at the store, little Goya cans in your Goya local supermarket section. I add about 4 tablespoons of that too. Just make sure the meat gets fully cooked. Next you're gonna add green olives. I chop them up. You don't have to add green olives, I just do it for the flavor. For a while I didn't even like green olives, but now I'm used to them, so I add them. But not everyone likes them, so you don't have to. Stir it around so they get a little tender in there. Soak up some of the juice. And then last you're gonna add the potatoes that we cooked earlier. You don't want to overcook the potatoes because you don't want a mash in your meat. You want them to still be their shape and whole in your dish. Or if you make regular empanadillas too. Cooks up a little bit. Over here we have my empanadilla dough. Usually the dough comes in a disc. You can find it in your local supermarket in the freezer section. They have the Goya above it. They're round discs. They come in like an orange or like this color. I made mine myself. You could DM me for the recipe, but this is how it is. I roll it all out into sheets and then I cut them. I bake them in the oven for about 10 minutes, and you get these nice, they're nice sheets of dough. So when they're done, when they come out, I get a pan, lay one down, add some mozzarella cheese. You can use any type of cheese you want. I prefer mozzarella, it gives it that extra little string action, so I use mozz. So from then, we're gonna take our already made dough and we're gonna add the meat that I just made. Put it over there like so. And a little bit more cheese on top of the meat. Kind of spread it out. Then you're going to take another layer, add it on top. And repeat the same process. Cheese. some meat. About 3 spoonfuls would be good for each layer. Some more cheese. Then you're gonna add the last layer. I like to sprinkle a little cheese on the top. Give it a nice little brown color when it bakes. And we're gonna put it in the oven for temperature 350 for about 20-25 minutes. You wanna make sure everything's melted, blended together, and that the dough is completely cooked, because it's partial cooked right now. Oh, hello again. Welcome back. As we've got our finished product right here, cheese melted. It's just oozing out the side, looking great. You're gonna take my sauce, a little bit of mayo, ketchup, some hot sauce, and garlic powder. Blend it up, get a nice color like that. I'm just gonna plate it up right now. Press that on the plate. It's loose. The bottom, so make sure it's out. Look at that. Hit the side, drop it in. And we're gonna put some fresh cilantro leaves on there. Just sporadically on the plate, it doesn't have to. And there you have it, an empanada.